Ooh, he going on a big slide? Oh no!
At least he's not afraid of heights.
He counting.
Hold on. Sit. Ready? Okay, I go.
Daddy's going down the slide. Oh my gosh, look at that big old kid. Watch the cave.
That actually made me a little bit dizzy.
That's how you know you're getting old.
You're not good at sliding.
He said you're not good at sliding.
I'm really not.
He used to be a professional about 30 years ago.
Yep.
And I'm a professional by this
Come on. You want to do it again?
Okay.
Come on.
I'm a professional.
All right.
You're going to come this way. Put it down. There you go. Brush it off. Brush it off. Don't do it again.
He just want.
Don't eat them.
Yo.
That is not good. And it's gross, ain't it?
Jaden, why are you eating sand? Don't eat sand.
Nasty boy. I get it. You're curious. Because it looks like something you want to eat. But I promise you,
Hi.
it's not. Get up. Okay, there you go. There you go. Crawl through here. Go. 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 Go.
He don't want to. Go through, Jay. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. There's Daddy. Go get Daddy. All right.
There you go. Watch your head. Watch your head. There you go.
No, she ain't. That was probably a good one. Come on. Come on, Jay. Hey, baby. Hi. Jay, you have a friend.
Take a picture of me.
I did. Actually, I didn't. I just took a video of you. Jaden, you're going up that tall. Daddy, he's coming down.